On this episode,
what's she doing?
you want it back? Yes. Get you some change. Let me get you change. 1 second. Make you change. Down there, make you. Gracias. That's a deal. Yeah.
Oh, and they
You think I didn't hear that?
Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you to the new and old Candy Crew members. I truly appreciate y'all. Now let's get to this money. Hey. What's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day.
What's up, Candy Crew? Peace.
We going to the storage to pray for us, because it's going to be a lot of work on Uncle.
Never up, never down, never.
All right, Candy Crew, we also sold these Jordan slides. I got these from a Nike factory outlet store on sale for like 12 bucks. And guess what? They sold on offer up for $45. $45 plus shipping. Let's get these things shipped out. I'm tired. Can y'all tell I'm tired? Let me fix myself.
At the same time, feel so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do.
I forgot that fast. What you want?
A Whopper with cheese and order onion.
Hi, can I get a Whopper with cheese?
Whopper cheese by itself and a meal?
By itself, and then an order of what size onion rings?
I'm sorry?
1 second.
Small.
A small order of onion rings as well.
Order onion rings, anything else?
That's it.
That's it.
$14.21.
Damn! Wait.
How much?
Damn! You should got the meal. You sure want no beverage?
I got was sold at the house.
Okay.
Damn, how much it cost?
$14. What happened to burgers being $1? Remember this?
What happened to burgers being $5? I ain't eating some here no more. We could have went to In-N-Out, been cheaper, better. What's she doing?
Wait. Oh my God, thank you. Oh my God.
Well, you got somebody behind you. No, you don't. Oh, shit.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get.
It's that time, y'all. It's the day of the flea market, and I recorded as much as I could. I hope you guys enjoy it. We have room for another one? He rested already, y'all. We just got here. He rested.
Yeah.
And I did all the work. Let me take a breather since Uncle rested.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, Hey now, honey, I've been.
How much?
$2. You want it back? Have a great day.
Thank you.
It took us a long time to set up.
Yeah, because we messed around with that other.
I just looked at my clock. I'm like, he set up for like 2 hours. 12. Yeah. That's fine.
Medium, right?
Yes. Get you some change. 1 second. Thank you. Have a great day.
Huh?
Wake up! You trying to, yeah, try it on. Okay.
Ahí está muy cobrazo.
15. 1-5. 15.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What is $5?
Yes.
Okay, sweet deal.
Yes, the sun is coming out. Could you change 1 second?
Right here? For the shoes that
20. Those are you have a different one. Yeah. And I have more on the other side too.
okay.
Here you go. $15. Thank you. $5 or two. Yeah, $5. You want them? Okay. All right, thank you.
The other shoes 15?
Yeah, you could do 15.
Okay.
Yeah. Make you change.
Oh, it's the same, no?
Yes, the same. Yes.
Yeah, give me
Okay. I'll owe you $35 at first, and then we're gonna pay for the second one. $2. Okay, so you gave me $50 for these. So here's 20, 25, 30, 35. You want the other two? So that'd be $10 more. All right, thank you. Let me get you another bag. $3. We'll see. They're brand new. Thank you. Have a good day. That's fine. Yes.
You have the top?
Different colors down there. Okay, let me get your change. 1, 2, 3. That's fine. Yeah. See. Gracias. Me over here too. Yeah.
Okay. Pero de cuáles? ¿Qué es lo que estáis?
Oh, I'm sorry.
How much for this and this and this?
Ones. What else? Those. $30. Yeah. So it's this one, the blue ones, and those in your hand.
Okay. How much for this?
Like $6. Yeah.
$6 estas. That one?
7.
And for this?
Oh, I gave it cheaper than that because it was 30. So it was like 15. Yeah, it was 15 and 15, 30.
Okay.
So like $5 each on those. Yeah, it was a deal.
Okay.
Okay, let me get you a bag.
Okay.
Another bag?
That's a deal. Yeah. You guys sell shoes?
No,
Oh.
put it on my country.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, thank you guys.
Okay, no, thank you.
Poppy, you can have for free.
Thank you.
He a hustler, yes.
He's happy in the fight.
Let me see, I have a change for 100. Okay. 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's for me, I don't know.
Try it on.
Okay. Okay. That's
Okay.
it's hot, but for
Yeah, when it
when it's
winter.
cold,
Yeah. Let me get you a bag.
it's washed in the machine.
If you wash it, let it air dry.
Oh, okay. Oh, and they put it like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Don't put it in the
Dryer, no. No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God.
I hope she loves it. Yes.
Yeah.
How old is she?
1 year.
Oh.
My mom
You want it back?
stopped crying. Why?
Okay. Yes.
Because I was talking to you. You're brave, you know.
Thank you. Have a good day. Y'all funny. You can try it on too if you need to. Try them on.
$10, right?
Huh?
$10?
Yes. You. I'll put your shit back.
Don't worry.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Thank
You want to try it on? Okay.
I can try right here.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Nice shoes. Nice shoes. How much am I sold? $3?
Mm-hmm.
Some nice shoes. It's too small.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Did you fit my phone? No.
No.
Too little. Too little.
Yes, a little. Guys, my stomach was a little bubbly, so I got up and walked away.
You think I didn't hear that?
That's why I got up. You all in my business. Don't do that.
Look. When you gotta cut loose, you got to cut loose. Ain't nobody. You shouldn't be ashamed in front of your uncle.
Flashback.
I'm 62 years old. When I got a fall out, you better not be in it. You better not be in it.
Why would you wait till you sit down next to me and fart?
That's the only time I had to fart. I had to fart right there. Right
You had
there.
all this open space. And you did it next to me.
Mommy, your uncle, when your uncle let cut loose, he cuts loose.
Y'all, almost puked. It was that bad.
End of flashback.
You gonna say, what's that?
I knew it wasn't your tennis shoes.
I can't even pass gas in peace. Listen, y'all, last time he sat right here and did it. I got up. And he still talking about, what's that? Okay. All right. Thank you. Uh-huh. What did I just do?
I don't know what you did.
Y'all, I done traded some shoes for a drum set.
That's not a drum set, that's just 2 drums. But it's a cool trade.
Here, let me give it to you. To my
Okay.
the side. Only has to.
Okay. Thank. Great day.
You too.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger.
On the next episode, you know what, I'm dead. I mean, what are those?
Can I get an employee discount?
How much you want them for? Okay, $1.50. There you go.
$8, man.
$1.